will help you find a book in the library catalog, which is what you're going to do for your library visit. So you're going to go to the library homepage, which is lib.utah.edu, right up here, and this is the main library homepage. There's a lot of different resources on the library webpage. There's tools, there's services, there's research databases, but today we're going to focus on USearch, which is the library catalog, and you'll find books, journals, articles, and digital items within the catalog. Your task is to find a book, a physical book, so that when you come to the library for your library visit, we're going to go out into the stacks and look for that book. So your topic for your class is social media. So I'm going to just type social media into the search box under USearch. Notice that I'm using quotation marks because this is a phrase, and this will help the database find the phrase social media, not the word social and not the word just media. So this will help narrow down your search. If you wanted to put another word in here, you could also put a space, the capital words and then add another word that you could use to search. But to start, I'm just going to start with social media, and I'm going to click the search button. When I come to the search list, you'll see that you'll have items, which we call records, that are listed here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We actually have 107,000 of them. Over here on the left-hand side is what's called a faceted search, and this will help us narrow down what we're looking at in our records list. So I'm going to click Available in the Library because you're actually going to be coming to the library. And then I'm going to actually click Books, because sometimes we have things that aren't books that are available in the library. So we went from 107,000 items in our records list down to 297. So now we're going to take a look at the books and see which one we might want to find in the stacks. Some books are online books. So this one says online access, but it says the library also has physical copies, which means we have it available online where you don't have to come to the library, or a physical copy if you prefer to come and get the actual book. The same thing with this one. Usually when there's multiple versions, it gives you a paper version and an electronic version. So to look for a physical book in the library, you're going to be looking for books that have a Get It link. View It link is what you click to look online. So if I click View It here, it's going to take me to the ebook. I open up the resource in a new window and I can read the book directly online. But what you're looking for is a book that you're going to get at the library. So we're going to click on the Get It tab. When you click on the Get It tab, it's going to show you where it's located in the collection. So right here, it says Marriott Library Level 2. That means it's on the second floor of the library. It's in the general collection. And this number right here is our Library of Congress call number. And this is how our books are cataloged. So the first 2 digits in this number are always letters. So in this case, HF. And these books in the Library of Congress catalog are organized by topic. So if you go up into the stacks and you find this book, HF 5415, you're going to find a lot of other books that are also social media books because they're actually organized by topic. So this call number is the number that you're going to need to find the book in the library. Okay? You're also going to need the title and you're going to need the author. So if you'll write these down and bring these with you the day that you come to the library, we're going to go out into the stacks and look for these books. You don't need to find the first book that you don't need to write down the first book that you find. You might want to take a look at the list of books. There's a whole bunch of cool ones about professors and higher education and social media, guerrilla social media. So this one also has a View It and a Get It. So you could click Get It, and then you can look for the number, and look at this. Here's another HF number. So these are going to actually be close to each other. In the library, in the catalog, which is kind of cool, we also have this virtual browse. So when you're in the Get It tab, you'll be able to browse virtually other books around that book. So you'll notice these are all HF 5415 books. They all have the same, they all start with the same few digits. The digits at the end will vary, so I can browse through here and find other books related to social media that you might be interested in looking at. Okay, So your task is going to be to go to the library catalog, limit your search by books and being in the library, look at your titles of books, find the title, the author, and the call number, and bring that with you when you come to the library. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. See you soon.